Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily install APK files on Windows 11. So first, in your web browser, just go to bluestacks.com, and in their website, you should be able to easily see download. Just press on it. So once you're done downloading the BlueStacks installer, just click on it. Then once this window popped up to your screen, just click on Install Now. Then just agree to the terms of use. So now we're here in the BlueStacks app layer, and from the right corner, just look for this icon with the APK word on it, and then click on it. So as you can see, this window will pop up. Just look for your downloaded APK file, then click on Open. So as you can see, our APK file has now downloaded. Through this BlueStacks app layer, you can easily access this app and run them to your PC.
So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this video helped you on how you can easily install APK files to your PC. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!